So let's continue our class of Ctet previous year question paper. So previously I have updated lot of question papers. In the live session you can go through the question papers of Ctet paper 1 and paper 2 mathematics. So if you have any doubts regarding to the questions, you can ask in the comment box. I think most of the papers I have already covered. There are few papers, 2 to 3 papers which I need to cover. There are very less papers to cover the Ctet maths. Yes. So before going to start our classes, let me see any previous pending questions are there regarding the papers of mathematics, Ctet maths. Yeah, I think still some of the papers are there which I need to cover. The questions of Ctet. So that's what I am searching about. Still any papers are there. Yes, maximum I have covered all the question papers which I need to cover. So if any pending are there, let me see. So let me explain some of the problems. I think previously we have covered so many questions, and this is a one question paper. This is another Ctet paper, and this is also a Ctet paper. And this is the fourth Ctet paper which I already discussed in the live session. I can see this is the fifth Ctet paper. And this is the sixth Ctet paper. So I have gathered all the Ctet papers from the other students, other teachers, those who are got qualified already. So these are the total, I think nearly I have covered 7 to 8 question papers. Yes, 7 to 8 papers already I have covered. Yes, so there are no pending previous year question papers. We need to go through and we have to discuss about the topic wise. Let's discuss the Ctet paper according to the chapter wise, which chapters we have to prepare for the examinations. That today we will discuss any one of the topic. So let me start the topic. So let me write Ctet mathematics for both paper 1 as well as paper and paper 2. The classes will be for both, for Ctet as well as Ctet also. And now see which are the topics covered for the Ctet examination. So before going to do the problem, let me give a question. So if you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Question number 1. Up to so on. Now see, I'm going to write the question. If you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Yes, up to so on 137. This is a arithmetic progression. So which nth term of arithmetic progression is 137? So if you know the answer, please do the solution. So I'll tell the formula also, which a means a1 means first term we have to use first term. D means D is called as common difference. D is the common difference. That means D is equals to, if you write this one series, A1, A2, A3 up to so on, this is the A nth term. So A1 which is called as A first term, common difference how you will find out, A2 minus A1. That means 5 minus 1. So you'll get the answer 4. 3, 3 3, 3 plus 2, 3 1 3 1 3 plus 2 5, 3 2 6, 3 1 3. So we'll take first term as 5 only. Okay, A1. So 8 minus 5, you are getting the common difference D. So already A nth term is given. How much? 137. So AN formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 137. We are having A value. A value is 5. We are having common difference D value. Substitute in this value and find out the answer. If you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Yes, if you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. So what are the chapters we have to cover in the mathematics? Is very simple. Which are the topics you have to prepare? The first one is the number system. Second one is the topic called as fractions. Third one is arithmetic. Fourth one is the geometry. Fifth one is the measurement. So data application, algebra and maths pedagogy, which I have studied in the B.Ed. The pedagogy which I have already studied in the B.Ed, that we have to see in this one. So this is about the paper 1 what we have to prepare, and paper 2. This is all about paper 1. Paper 1 we have to go through the all the basics up to grade 5. So we are thinking grade 5 only, up to grade 5, but no, we have to prepare from 6th to 10th grade. So we have to prepare for SSC as well as CBSE. So both the syllabus we have to see what we are having. This is for paper 1. Now we am going to write about paper 2. What are the syllabus we are going to cover? Same as it is, number system. The second one is the trigonometry. Third one is the arithmetic. And geometry, sets, mensuration, data handling, algebra, as well as pedagogy. We'll start with very small chapter name called as number system. That is a very easy topic. Yes, if you know the answer, please type in the comment box this one answer. A plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. Now see, first we are going to discuss about the chapter name called as number system. So what is about the number system? We are going to discuss about the number system, what is given in the number system, how you have to prepare all the chapters. Number system. In the number system, we have to know very basics of the chapter, very basics, very easy chapter, that is called as number system. We all know about the numbers. Generally we know about the numbers which are counting numbers starting from 1 2 3 4, all will count it as counting numbers. Generally we write this one as counting numbers. So there is another logic in this one. If we add counting numbers, we get a triangular numbers. We should not forget 1 plus 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So if you keep on adding this one, we are getting a triangular numbers. Which numbers we are getting? Triangular numbers. If we add the triangular numbers, if we are add triangular numbers, we are getting square numbers, which is very easy. See, write down as it is 1. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 3 plus 6 becomes 9. 6 plus 10 becomes 16. 16 plus next number. What will get next number? 5 means 15. So 10 plus 15, 25, up to so on. So square numbers. Adding counting numbers, we are getting triangular numbers. Adding triangular numbers, we are getting square numbers. Now by using the counting numbers, we are going to write even numbers. Even numbers are very easy. Skipping of the odd numbers is called even numbers, or numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, up to so on. Now see, by using this one, we are writing odd numbers. Odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. That is called as odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Very simple. See, if you keep on adding odd numbers, we are getting same square numbers. How? See, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 3 plus 5 9, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 16. By using the how many digits we are taking, we can write directly the square of the number. Here how many digits are repeated? 1 square 1. Here how many digits we are taking? 1 and 3, 2 digits, that means 2 square 4. Here how many digits we are taking? 1, 3 and 5. How many digits are there? 3, that means 3 square 9. Here how many digits? 1 2 3 4, so 4 square 16. If I am writing 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11, 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. So what is the final answer? You can type in the comment box. First see how many digits are there. No need to add all these numbers. So no need to add all these numbers. Just count how many odd numbers we have written right over in the here, right, written here. Now see 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very simple. Write down 12 square. 12 12 ja 144. As I previously said that we have to thorough about the squares. Squares we have to learn up to compulsory 30, as well as cubes. Cubes are necessary to learn up to 20. These are very important. We have to learn compulsory at any cost. There is no skip for these numbers. We have to read compulsory all these numbers. Next, even number completed, odd number completed. The next one is the even number completed, odd number completed, triangular number, square number. Next we'll go for the prime number. Prime numbers. Very simple. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number. Prime number. For example, so which are prime numbers? So this is very important. Compulsory you are going to get in the examination. However, either in maybe TRT or in the TET examination or Ctet, definitely they will include the prime numbers. So from 1 to 100 we are having 25 prime numbers. I think we have already discussed about we got a problem on the prime numbers which I have discussed previously. So if you want, I can show that paper also. Let me see the paper once. Yes, wait for a moment. I will show the question also, which I already discussed about this question. How many prime numbers are which is the smallest prime number? And the question already given, which is the smallest prime number. I have seen in the sum of the question paper. I will show it compulsory. So we are going to write. If you know the answer, please type how many prime numbers are there. So which are the, so I need if you have any doubt, you can write the odd numbers separately, not including in this one. You can write down if you are getting any confusion of writing the odd numbers. If you can write separately also, we can write separately the odd numbers. Very simple. From 1 to 10, how many are there? From 11 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So how many prime numbers are there here? From 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 to 30, 11, 13, 17, 19. From 21, 23, 29. From 31, 31, 37. Here 41, 43, 47. Here 53, 59. Here 61, 67. Next, here 71, 73, 79. From 80 to 90, 90, sorry, 83, 89. Last one is the 97. These are the totally odd prime numbers. These are the prime numbers. Darshit is asking x power of 8 plus 1 by x power of 8. Okay, so I'm going to solve the question which has given by the Darshit. He is asking x power of 8, x power of 8 plus 1 by x power of 8 He is asking x power of 8 plus 1 by x power of 8 is 47. So x power of 9 plus 1 by x power of 9 answer is how much? So I am going to solve that question compulsory. Now if you want, you can see the question. Yes. So totally how many prime numbers are there? 25 prime numbers are there. So one person, he asked the question called as, see the question I am writing, x power of 8 plus 1 by x power of 8 answer is 47. So it's given the question like this, we have to get the answer x power of 8 1 by x power of 8. This one, see how I am writing this x power of 8. This one I am writing x power of 4 whole power of 2 plus 1 by x power of 4 whole power of 2. Why? Because a power of m whole power of n formula is a power of m into n. Now you can see is equal to 42. This one is in form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square formula, what is that? We know a plus b whole square formula. What is that? A square plus b square plus 2ab. If we are having only a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square. Here a value is x power of 4, b value also x power of 4. Now I am writing x power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4 whole square minus 2 into x power of 4 into 1 by x power of 4 is equal to 47. Now x power of 4 will be getting x power of plus 1 by x power of 4 whole square is equal to 47. Minus 2 take that side, become plus 2. X power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4 whole square is equal to 49. Square goes right hand side, becomes root. Root 49 value is 7. Now I am going to take same that one value again, x power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4 equals to 7. Again we are making this x power of 4 as x power of 2 whole square. X power of 2 whole power of 2 plus 1 by x power of 2 whole power of 2 is equal to 7. Again we are using same formula here. A value we are getting here x square, b value we are getting 1 by x square, a square plus b square. Here also same, x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 into x square into 1 by x square is equal to 7. Here 2 will be get cancelled. Now say x square plus 1 by x square whole power of 2 is equal to minus 2. Take a right hand side, becomes 7 plus 2 value becomes 9. So x square plus 1 by x square whole power of 2 is equals to 9. Square goes right hand side, it becomes root. Root 9 value is 3. Now we got, now see, if you are going to take, if you are going to take any value for any of the value, there are no options are given. For example, if I am taking x plus 1 by x is equals to root 5. If for example, if I am taking x plus 1 by x is equals to root 5, so I am doing cubing on both sides. Yes, I am doing cubing on both sides. So x plus 1 by x whole power of 3 is equal to root 5 whole power of 3. Now see a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3 into 3ab, x into 1 by x into a plus b, x plus 1 by x is equal to root 5 whole power of 3. So this xx will be get cancelled. Now see, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 by x value already we took root 5, that is root 5 whole cube. Now see, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to root 5 whole cube minus 3 root 5 plus root 5 you take right hand side becomes minus root 5. Now from the both the terms, if you take a common, what you'll get? X cube plus 1 by x cube. If I am taking root 5 common here, root 5 whole square will be there, minus 3 will be there. Now see, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, I am taking this root 5. Root 5 square root will be get cancelled. 5 minus 2 is 2. We are getting the answer 2 root 5. Again we are doing once again. For this term, if you take whole cube once again, if I am taking whole cube once again, what you are getting the answer? Very simple. Whole cube, cubing on both sides. X cube means x cube plus 1 by x cube whole power of 3 is equal to 2 root 5 whole power of 3. Same process will be repeated up to right on here. So here there is no logic. Here 2 cube means 8. So I am taking 2 root 5 whole power of 3 here minus. Now see, same again taking, here we got 3 root 5, here we are getting 2 more, that is 3 into 2 root 5. Same we are getting here 3, in place of root 5 we are getting 2 root 5. So if you do this one multiplication, so what you are getting the answer is, yes, so 1 5 root 25 value 5, 8 5 is a 40, 40 root 5 minus 6 root 5. So we are getting the final answer is 34 root 5. I think someone is asked the question. Yes, Darshit is asking the question. So Darshit asked the question. So the answer we are getting 35 root 5. I think you have understood the question. So let me continue the class after some time. I'll come back to the class within 1 hour back. So let's continue our class after some time. So now I'm ending the class right over here. So after 1 hour, I'm going to continue the class. Thank you everyone for this session. So x power of 8, 1 by x power of 8 answer. The question is 47. The answer for x power of 9 plus 1 by x power of 9 answer is 34 root 5. This is the final answer for this question. So thank you.